See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
Huh?
Speak English.
If you don't speak English, you not be sis.
Speak English.
Which person?
Speak
Which
English.
person carry una come? Okay. Which person should you mention in name? Ugba. Ugba DPO. Now carry una come. Okay. Now Ugba DPO carry una come. Okay, no problem.
See whether they
Okay. I know that they stay.
forest. Now that they still. Now DPO carry the forest now.
You know, this are you in Nigeria? Huh?
Nigeria.
Are you in Nigeria? Why they tell me say see your ID card? Bring the ID card. Come. Give me. Call the person when you want to call.
DPO.
DPO for Ugba. Okay. No, sorry.
Cut your neck now. Ask the people
Hey, you feel me?
Hi, Waka.
Where the DPO? They feel me? Yes. Hey, yeah, boy. Hey, yeah, video. Ah. Oh, well. Hey, one. What do you want to tell with the hungry? Hey, stop. We know what now we do now. Now go drop now for station.
All right, so you heard the video. Those guys that are kneeling down in that video, they were found in that bush by those vigilante guys. And then when they caught them and told them to kneel down and asked them how long they've been there, in Hausa, that guy said, Kwana Hudu, that means he has been in that bush for 4 days. They now asked them who brought them to Edo State. They said it's the DPO. DPO, District Police Officer. That's what it means. The DPO that brought them in. Now, this is what I've been saying. You know, when I talk, some people feel say very dark man just they talk to chase clouds, or maybe not be as if they talk, they follow. No, because I know what I'm saying. I know what I am saying. I said it is not a rocket science, especially in those states, that all those checkpoints they and kidnappers still they bush. It is not a rocket science that these people know the exact person to kidnap. These people definitely they work with some members of the police that are corrupt. What do you expect? You carry big gun, assault rifles, AK-47. You carry assault rifle, war gun. You give policemen and you they starve them. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and House of Reps and Senates. You they give police 120,000, 150,000 salary in a month for a country where we say fuel now 1,000 naira, I mean 800 naira per liter. They still get children where they'll send go school. How much be egg now? Crate of egg now how much? 3,000, I mean 5,000. And then cook they chop egg again. How much be gari? How much be rice? How much be beans? They go feed their children. If they don't get car, they go use transport. Transport now don't double, don't triple. The basic things where they need to survive, no day, but they get assault rifle. A lot of them are renting these guns to these boys to go and do kidnapping. Some of them bring boys from different states to do these things for them and give them returns. It is not rocket science. Not just police. Some corrupt military men, some corrupt soldier men are the ones doing this game. How many the kidnappers be? You all gone, they collect 180, 120,000 naira, 120,000 naira a month. Kidnapper do one trip, collect 20 million, 30 million naira. You don't give her your gun. Just the watch now. This matter now, they go kill him. He go die down. Because if you do your investigation, no be only that DPO they run am. Other DPOs they run am. Once the insurgency don't take, now government hand inside. Now them. I said it just now last month I talk I mean 2 months ago, I think last month. I said, do your investigation. You find out that now police then, where they do all these checkpoints, now then they give information to kidnappers. Because listen to me, if you they come for checkpoints, police wind down, they go look who did the car. Now they will come let those ones for front know say it is right for the taking. Now that red car, now one woman there South African, yes, maybe I just block that one and that one be the perfect one. You will just push. No be information, nothing, not them. But I just hope this case will be treated well. Where's the police PRO? Benundein. then do your investigation on this matter. Then your investigation, and you see, it's a shame. For how much? Anyways, peace and love, don't play. Play it online and you will learn the hard way. Don't play.